In this video, I will show you how to invite one of your clients to share in their accounts. Say you are an estate planner, for example, and you have created an estate plan and some other documents for your client, and now you're ready to invite them in to take a look at their documents. This is a very secure way of sharing information with your clients without the risk of their personal information falling into the wrong hands. Plus, it can save them a trip to your office. So I am using SafelyFiled for both my business and my clients' files. So what I have done is I've created a high-level folder called Client Files, and under that folder I have created a specific subfolder for each one of my clients. In my example here, I'm going to select Renee Smith. I have an estate plan ready for her. I'm also working with a healthcare power of attorney document, and I'm going to create a new folder for her. But I have her estate plan ready. It's in here, and I'm ready to invite her to share in her account. So inviting someone to look at their documents is a two-step process. The first step is to invite them to the SafelyFiled account directly. It sends out an invitation via email. So make sure you have the appropriate clients folder selected. In this case, I have Renee Smith. I can see that here in the middle. And then over on the sharing section, hit the Add Remove button. You'll notice Renee's name is not listed here because I've not invited her yet. And the only other person that has access to her files is my coworker, Jane Dixon. So I need to invite Renee in to look at her files. So I will select the Manage Sharing button. The next step is to click on Add Participant, and this is where I will input Renee's name. The phone number is optional, but make sure that her email address is correct so that she gets the invitation. Then select Next. The second step is to select what level of access that you want to give Renee. You can select or highlight the little yellow circles, which will tell you a little bit about what each level can do, and there's a lot more information under the Help button at the top of the screen. But since these are her files and I want her to be able to do anything with those files except delete the ones that I have put there, I'm going to give her level 3 access, and then I'm going to select Next. If she's a short-term client, say for taxes, we just want to give her a couple of months to review her files and then her access will be revoked, I can select a date a couple months in the future and it will deny her access after that date. But this is a long-term client, so I'm going to select Never Expire and then save those changes. Now Renee is a client of mine and I only want her to see her files. So I go back to her folder and I make sure that her folder is selected again, Renee Smith. I can see that here in the middle, and go back to Add Remove. Now you'll see that her name is listed here as a person that I can share that folder with. So I highlight Renee's name and hit Save Changes. Now when Renee gets the email inviting her into the SafelyFiled account, she will be able to select her login and password and answer 3 security questions just so she can reset her password herself if need be. And then once she logs in, she's going to see only the Renee Smith folder and the information that's underneath it. If there's a particular folder or file in here that I'm not ready for her to see, for example, this new folder here, which I haven't named, I can select that new folder under her file structure, hit Add Remove, and remove her name just from that folder. And this way she will see the estate plan and the healthcare power of attorney, but she won't see the new folder that I'm working on for her. Once I've uploaded some files to that folder, however, she will be automatically notified if I wish that the document's ready for her to review. Anyway, that's it. That's how you invite your clients in to see the documents that you have prepared for them. As always, if you have any questions, you can call us at 1-888-686-3111 or email us at info@safelyfiled.com.